Hi, I'm Glenn Ladd, and I'm with Howell Ventures. I'm here today to speak to you about the push-twist hand control from SureGrip. With the push-twist system, simply push forward to brake and twist down to accelerate. The push-twist system also has an auxiliary handle for greater comfort and support. Like all SureGrip hand controls, they come with the manual auto lock system, which simply allows you to flick the lever over to lock the accelerator function out, or to spin the lever back, allowing you to fully accelerate again.
This is the push twist control. Push forward for brake, twist for gas. And like all of our other controls, it has the auto lock function. Simply push in the button. The accelerator function is locked. When in use, pull the button out and the acceleration function is activated. Push twist hand control offers smooth acceleration and easy braking. The standard adjustable thumb hand support is utilized to provide leverage to reduce fatiguing while doing the acceleration function.